Cinnamon is optional. You can use several natural alternatives to attract and trap ants, depending on your recipe and the ant's preferences. For a syrup-based attractant use, honey or plain white sugar dissolved in warm water at a ratio of 1 part sweetener to 2 parts water, stirring until fully dissolved. If you need a protein source for worker ants, try smooth peanut butter, spread thinly on a small piece of cardboard or a bottle cap placed along the ant trail. Crushed plain crackers mixed with a little honey will create a sticky bait that is easy to place and replace and is particularly useful when you want a dry carrier instead of a liquid. For oily baits, combine a teaspoon of vegetable oil with 2 teaspoons of sugar to increase persistence on warm days and avoid rapid evaporation. If you are concerned about attracting non-target animals, keep baits small, check them twice daily, and remove any remnants once activity drops to avoid wildlife encounters. Always test any new mixture in a small area first to confirm the target species is attracted before deploying larger amounts. Common mistakes include using too much sweetener so the bait runs and washes away. Make baits slightly viscous instead of watery to keep them in place and change them daily in humid conditions. A second issue is placing baits where pets or children can reach them. Put baits in shallow, hidden containers under potted plants or behind appliances to reduce access. A third problem is assuming one formula works for every ant species. Observe what the colony prefers and swap between carbohydrate and protein baits over a 2 to 3 day period to identify the most effective attractant. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by hosting project posts and lead opportunities related to home pest management, among other home improvement categories. We also maintain an active discussion community where members share first-hand tips, recipes, and local feedback so we can learn from each other.